Welcome to Vericon Online Portal Training. This video is an introduction to viewing telemetry data. To find BCM and Surveyor Cube telemetry, make sure you are in the boilers page and click on the device you wish to view data for. BCM devices connected to the boiler and Surveyor Cube gateways both have a BCM serial number which is linked to the telemetry for your installed devices. Click on the Telemetry tab and you will see an events timeline at the top of the page. If you scroll down, you will see the data which is available for that device. Surveyor Cubes do not show data from the boiler, but for BCM modules connected to the boiler, central heating data will be visible here, as well as humidity and temperature readings for any sensors which have been installed. Here you can see the default telemetry setting which shows data from the previous week. The default tab for telemetry is Boiler Environment, which includes flow and return data from the boiler. If you look at the telemetry, you will see readings from your boiler which show flow and return temperatures during the heating cycle displayed in a continuous graph, and you can scroll along the graph to check the readings at any point in time. In the same way, at the bottom of this page you will also see telemetry for any installed temperature, humidity and CO2 sensors, where again you can scroll along the graph for any point in time. Additional data can be viewed by accessing the drop-down menu. Room environment shows only the temperature and humidity readings, but your screen will be blank if these sensors have not been installed. Let's click on Boiler Diagnostics. Here again, you can see flow and return temperatures from the boiler, and additionally on this page you can see data from the boiler reporting domestic hot water flow, CH set point, CH pressure, and boiler modulation. Although please note that in certain cases some of this information is not reported depending on the boiler model. For example, if we look at a different boiler, in the Boiler Diagnostics page, you can see that CH pressure is reported differently here and is shown in constant OK state. If autofill has been installed, this reads the actual pressure in the system, and this is shown in the AZ box. In this example, therefore, you can see the fluctuations in system pressure in sync with the flow and return heating cycle. Data available on this page also includes boiler fan usage here when this data is reported by the boiler, and also available from this boiler you can see burner starts and pump starts data. In the Boiler Assets Management section, cumulative burner time and pump time data is available. And here there is also a setting for tamper alerts. For Surveyor Cubes, telemetry from the installed devices can be viewed in either the Boiler Environment tab or the Room Environment tab, but since they are not connected to the boiler for boiler monitoring, no boiler data is reported. Let's look at temperature and humidity telemetry in more detail using the Room Environment page. As you scroll down, you will see data from all the sensors connected to this boiler BCM. For each sensor location, a graph shows continuous data which allows you to track temperature and humidity, and the data provided in this demonstration portal shows high levels of humidity and which in such a case would provide critical risk assessment information regarding damp and mold in a property. If you click on the calendar, you are able to choose any start date and finish date for your telemetry period. Click on the start date and as you move your mouse, you will highlight the period of your selected data and then click on the finish date. The data now displays the dates you have chosen, and this is reflected in any page you choose from the drop-down menu. You can choose any date range, including narrowing the data down to one specific day by double-clicking on any date you wish. For example, let's double-click here. Now you can see detailed readings and the timings of any aspect of the data that you wish to view, as you can see here. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, please check our library of videos in the Support tab or contact us using the address on the screen, customer.success@vericonsystems.com.